Hi everyone, welcome to today's 2-minute bioinformatics quick tutorial. In this session, we'll learn how to use Conserved Unique Peptide Patterns, CUPP, for analyzing carbohydrate-active enzymes, CAZymes, in microbial genomes. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. Click Submit to start the analysis. Enter a job name and your email address. CUPP allows you to submit DNA, RNA, or protein sequences. Always ensure your files are in the correct format before submitting. Click Submit to initiate the analysis. After the analysis is complete, you can explore the results in the annotation table. You can view an overview of your analysis, including the class and family of CAZymes, in the Summary Visualization tab. You can also use the Domain Visualization tab to examine the functional domains of each CAZyme. To get the complete raw data, click the Alt+SV button to download it. Open the downloaded TSV file in Excel to explore the raw data, and follow the prompts to correctly format and paste the data into the spreadsheet. You can filter the CAZy classes to perform your analysis. The true or false interpretation by CUPP is also listed. Before we finish, a quick shout out to the institutions and agencies behind this platform. We've also added a scientific citation if you want to explore the topic further. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.